Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing the Magimix Cook Expert and go through everything that comes with it.
The first thing you'll find when you open the box is the user manual, and that has everything you need to get you started. Also, there's the recipe book with over 300 recipes from starters to dessert. Every Cook Expert comes with a professional motor with a Magimix 30-year guarantee and top-of-the-range induction heating technology, allowing for precise temperature control. Easy to use with 3 simple buttons: stop to stop any program, auto to start any program, and pulse, a quick control function. The digital screen takes you through the automatic programs, including the Expert program, which allows you to set the time, the speed, and the temperature. There is an auto clean program for quick and easy rinsing, and excluding the base, all parts are dishwasher safe. The metal bowl is stainless steel, and the double wall ensures it is safe to touch when cooking.
And it keeps your food hot for 2 hours after the temperature has been switched off.
Inside the metal bowl, you'll find a stainless steel steaming basket with a removable tray. This allows you to steam food on multiple levels. The universal blade and the Magimix blender mix design ensure that all your ingredients are processed evenly and with the utmost care, allowing you to stir, mix, emulsify, blend, knead and chop subject to the speed you choose. The whisk clips securely onto the universal blade. This attachment is heat resistant to 110 degrees, which allows you to make Italian and Swiss meringues. The shatterproof glass lid allows you to look inside and check your food. The cap is removable and allows you to add ingredients while your Cook Expert is still running. It also doubles as a key to unlock and remove the universal blade. Accurate to a gram, the digital scales can weigh up to 10 kg, allowing you to weigh all your ingredients into the metal bowl before transferring to the base. There are 2 spatulas in the box. The silicone spatula is designed to be used with the metal bowl. With a removable head, it can get to the very base of the metal bowl. The classic Magimix spatula is perfectly designed to be used with the food processor bowls. The transparent food processor bowl is 3 bowls in one and allows you to effortlessly carry out several tasks in quick succession. The mini bowl is perfect for small quantities, chopping, mixing and emulsifying. The midi bowl is designed for grating and slicing with 2 and 4 mm discs. The main bowl is ideal for chopping and mixing large quantities. The extra large feed tube enables you to slice and grate both lengthways and widthways, and the small pusher also doubles as a measuring cup.
With the Magimix Cook Expert, there's no limit to what you can do. Let your Cook Expert fuel your creativity.